Hello learners, welcome to our journey into the realm of AI language models. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of GPT 3.5 and explore its incredible capabilities. Let's kick things off by understanding what GPT 3.5 really is. Imagine a super smart language model developed by OpenAI. It's like having a digital wordsmith at your service. This model can understand and generate human-like text based on the input you provide. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about the abilities of GPT 3.5. It's not just a one-trick pony. It can write essays, stories, poems, and even code. Think of it as having a super talented writer and programmer right at your fingertips. For instance, you can ask it to write a short story about anything, and it will craft something truly remarkable. But how does GPT 3.5 do all this? Well, it's all about deep learning. This model uses complex algorithms to analyze and understand text patterns. It learns from a massive amount of data, allowing it to generate responses that feel natural and coherent. Let's see GPT 3.5 in action. It can answer questions, write articles, and even create art. It's like having a conversation with a really smart friend. For instance, you can ask it to explain a concept in simple terms, and it will deliver an explanation that's both clear and insightful. Now, how can you get started with GPT 3.5? It's easier than you might think. You can access it through various platforms and APIs. Just input your prompt, and GPT 3.5 will work its magic, generating text that's tailored to your needs. But here's the key: crafting effective prompts. To get the best results from GPT 3.5, you need to be clear and specific. Think about what you want to achieve and phrase your prompt accordingly. For example, if you wanted to write a poem, give it a theme or a specific style to follow. Now, let's talk about limitations. While GPT 3.5 is powerful, it's not perfect. It can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical responses. For instance, if you ask it a complex question, it might struggle to provide a coherent answer. But fear not! There are ways to maximize GPT 3.5's potential. Experiment with different prompts and styles to see what works best for you. Fine-tune your prompts based on the type of response you want. For example, try using specific keywords or phrases to guide its output. In conclusion, GPT 3.5 opens up a world of possibilities for creative expression and problem solving. With practice and experimentation, you can unlock its full potential and harness its power to accomplish amazing things. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and see what GPT 3.5 can do for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of AI. Until next time, happy exploring!